materials, but I'm going to let Brad kind of talk about what he's doing and what kind of happens in the lab.
Yeah, this is advanced composiits. Work with this stuff all day. It's we work with pre-preg or dry fiber to do like layups and stuff like this. It's Purdue Pete. I'm sure you all know. I'm making the mascot heads for them right now. Other things we do is like research on repair patches, stuff like that. We do a lot of hands-on. The class here gives everybody like a step up on composites on everybody else. I hear a lot of things when people get to jobs, they like just have a lot more knowledge than most people would have with advanced composites. So, you guys have any questions or anything like that? No?
What is interesting about the composites that we do use is that we use fiberglass, carbon fiber, Kevlar. Fiberglass is also used on the Cirrus. It's actually a composite aircraft, and it is also covered up on the parachute. That's what's used to deploy if anything happens. So what's interesting is that the same materials that's used on the aircraft, we're learning how to do the actual repair patches. Granted, we're not doing them on the aircraft, but we go through the process, the cure times, and kind of go through it step by step. So when we get out there, we already know the whole process inside and out because we've already done it. Funny story is one of my colleagues just graduated working at GE, and he was working on a test cell configuration, and they had an engine malfunction and a composite patch breakdown, and GE spent $7,000 to have a composite company come in and repair the patch, and they did it wrong. How does he know that they did it wrong? Is because he saw exactly what they did with his composite experience, said something, pointed out where it was going to fail, and the very next day it failed in those exact points. He got a promotion on the spot the next day. But it's amazing to me that somebody that's specialized in composites can still make that kind of mistake, and with our basic experience we can still kind of see what people are doing right and what they're doing wrong just by being exposed to it, just more than other people have done. But
yeah, like I said, we're a step up on everybody else. We're just so much more advanced. We have a lot better technology. We have a grinder, a CNC machine here. We have in the other lab, we have a full-scale cutting table that will cut out any kind of dimension for any kind of carbon fiber layout that you want. But just this basic class itself is just so much far ahead compared to everybody else. It's just awesome. Like that job is just that story right there. You should hit it for you home. It's a great example.